Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. After a long time I'm uploading a new video. So in this video course I will tell you that how much you can earn from a single Fiverr account, and in the next video I will tell you that how you can create a Fiverr account and create a stunning gigs in which you can get a great handsome amount of orders. So in this video I will show you my Fiverr earning from last 90 days, that how much I have earned in 90 days, as well as I will show you the gap in my earning and how much I am getting from Fiverr in these days. I have stopped working on Fiverr due to my some other projects. So let's get into the video. So it's one of my Fiverr account in which I have earned more than $2,000 in 90 days. Let me calculate the earnings. Also, let me first show you the gap in my earnings. So it's on 6th January I get $228. On 8th February I get $680, and on 27th February I get $830, and on 9 March I get $168, and on 20 March I get $100 to my bank account. All right. So as you can see, here's the gap of 32 days, and here's the gap of 19 days, and here's the gap of uh, 8 days, I think so. It's 8 days gap, and here's as well a smaller gap of 11 days. As I told you, I have started another project, so that's why I stopped working on it. I will refresh the page over here that you don't think I have used inspect element or something else. Let me calculate my earning. 228 plus 180 plus 830.39 plus 168 plus $100. So it's $2,000 around about. So if I calculate it, it's let me convert it to PKR in Pakistani rupees. Actually I live in Pakistan, so I'm converting it to it. So sorry, due to my internet connectivity. Okay. So it's a huge amount. It's a very huge amount. 3 lakhs 37,650 rupees. So as you can see, it's my Fiverr earning from a different profile. Let me refresh it again, so you don't think that I'm hiding something from you guys. Okay, this is my Fiverr earning. It's the same thing which I have. Sorry, it's the same thing which I have shown you in a previous before 1 minute, I think. Okay, let me show you my another report. It's my Fiverr account with which I have earned $2,069. So I have started it in January. I have earned in first month of 1048 dollars, and I have tripped it to 8. So it's also another amount of 1 month. Let me show you another screenshot. I will hide my other earnings, like my other month earnings. Okay, let me show you my another earning proof, my Fiverr earning reports. It's one of my Fiverr profile in which I have earned in January $1086, and another month I get $1,100 from it. So it's also a huge amount. So I hope you like the video. So wait for another video. I will show you that how you can create a Fiverr account and how you can create a stunning gig with which you will get an handsome amount of orders. And onward I will also show you another my Fiverr reports with which you guys will be motivated. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.